Hello, my name is Dow3 and in this video I'm going to show how to make a 3D printed model look more woody. So, do you need a special type of PLA? Actually, no, I just use normal PLA from a local shop. So, let's see what we need. A 3D printed model. Fill primer, I use gesso, it's non-toxic and you can use it indoors. Sandpapers, fun and coarse. Acrylic paints. These paints from Amazon work just fine. Brushes, few small and one big. You can find these from hardware stores. A little bit of water. And some kind of top coating. First, apply your fill primer to the model. You may need to apply few coats, depending of course how rough the surface is. Next, sand the model. I usually start with coarse and finish with fine sandpaper. You may need to apply a little bit of primer after that, as long as the surface is smooth. I printed my model very quickly, so finish isn't the best. After that, you can apply the black base coat, or light brown, depending how dark you want to make the wood look. And then the interesting part. I learned this technique from another YouTuber. I will put the link below. I used to make a different shades and blend them with water. Technically you can mess this up, because you can just sandpaint off or sometimes wash it out. To finish painting off, apply some black paint to the largest brush and carefully dry brush the paint. Don't press too hard. That looks nice. Let it dry well and after that apply the top coat. I'm very surprised how this looks, much better than plain PLA. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment or like or something, subscribe for more content like this and see you next time.